activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio station M52, WWD 40, WNG 579, KJY 81, WW 23, WXM 54, WXM 56, AWN 60, WNG 664 have also been activated as tests. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built web receiver are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches or effective in South Central and South Colorado. For more information on the coverage areas of 9 transmitters, go to our website, weather.gov/Pueblo, and under the local information, click on NOAA Weather Radio page. This concludes the weekly test. We now go back to routine programming.